So this is a slightly unpleasant storyline, but it applies nonetheless. We're supposed to write an equation that talks about 4 roaches turning into 55,000 roaches. Actually, it doesn't necessarily turn into that, but this is growth over the course of time. So 4 roaches doubling every week. So that means you have y equals 4, which is the initial value, times 2 to the x power, number of weeks. So doubling means they're multiplying by 2, so that's where that equation comes. At this rate, how long will it take for Miss Hugglepuff's home to be considered a health hazard? Well, that happens when it gets to 50,000. So you plop that in for y. You got 55,000 equals 4 times 2 to the x power. Okay, this is our opportunity to utilize our new tricks. Okay, so you got to start by dividing by 4, and this is really just doing exactly what we did in the previous couple problems without the storyline. And so now we've got 13,750 equals 2 to the x power. Okay, we're going to do the log. Okay, we're going to rewrite this as a log, or we can just kind of say log 13,750 divided by the log of the base, log 2 equals x. Okay, and that's going to be it's going to be all we need. Log of 13,750 divided by the log of 2 gives us a 13.7. Whoa, think about that. That's gross and crazy. 13.75. That's 13.75 weeks. That's not a long time. That's a little over 3 months. Let's double check that, because that sounds crazy, doesn't it? Well, 4 times 2 raised to the 13.75 if we're rounding. There's your 55,000. Holy cow. Crazy, huh? So it's a little higher because we rounded up, but if you did, and careful with your rounding, if you only did 4.7, you're just under, but a lot closer to 55,000. So have your roaches kept in check. Get a hotel.